To rank any website on Google, SEO is the most important factor. And to make SEO even easier and more effective, a powerful SEO plugin is needed. So, in today's video, I will tell you about a popular and advanced plugin, RankMath. In this video, I will explain the complete setup of the RankMath plugin and also how to use it. So let's start today's video. Here, in the first step, I will explain how to download and set up the RankMath plugin. First, you need to go to your website's WordPress dashboard. There, click on the Plugins option given on the left side and then go to Add New Plugin. Now, the plugin store will open in front of you where you type RankMath in the search bar. The first result that comes up is the RankMath SEO plugin. Click on Install Now to install it, and then click on the Activate button to activate it. As soon as you activate the RankMath plugin, the setup process will open in front of you. In the first step, you need to connect with the RankMath account. You need to click on the Connect Your Account option. Now, if you haven't already created an account on RankMath, click on the New Member Register Now option to create an account first. I already have an account. I will click on the Google Login option to log in. After logging in, it is showing the free plan of the RankMath plugin. Activate it from here. After creating the account, you are now being asked in which mode to set up the plugin. You should select the advanced mode here. After selecting the advanced mode, click on Start Wizard. Now, the basic details of your website have opened. First, fill this in. First, you need to specify what type your website is. My website is a blog website, so I will select that. Select the category according to your website type. Now, in the next column, enter the website name. If there is another name, you can add it in the alternate option. After that, in the organization name, if there is no organization, you can enter your website's name. In the next option, add the website's logo, and in the last option, add an image. When you share the website on any social platform, the image that will show in the preview is this one. You can change it later. Now click on Continue. In the next step, the option to connect Google services is showing. With the help of this option, you can connect Google Search Console and analytics tools with RankMath. Click on the Connect Google Services option. Now select the account with which your Search Console and analytics are linked, and then tick, and allow all the important permissions being requested. Now here, the option for Search Console and analytics is showing. It takes a little time to fetch the website, so it is showing no record found. Look, both my Search Console and analytics options are connected after being fetched. The AdSense option is in the Pro plan. For now, ignore it. Now, after everything is set up, click on Save and Continue. In the next step, the sitemap option will show. If it is not on by default, then turn it on. A sitemap is a map of your website that tells the search engine which pages, posts, and other content are on your site and how to access them. Now, in the first option, you are being asked whether to include the website's images in the sitemap or not. You need to keep this option on because we will add images to the sitemap. Now, in the second option, let both posts and pages remain selected. We will add them to the sitemap as well. In the third option, tick the category as well. The basic settings of the sitemap have been set here. Now, you have to click on Save and Continue. After the sitemap, the SEO Tweaks option will open. It contains some basic SEO settings. I will now explain how to set them up. The first option is that if any category on your website is empty, a no index tag will be applied to that category page, and it will not be indexed in Google. Keep this option on. In the second option, for any external website links on your website, do you want to add a no follow tag to them? Keep this option closed. When you add an external link, you can add no follow according to priority. The third option means that when someone opens an external link on your website, that page opens in a new tab. Keep this option on as well. After setting up these three settings, click on Save and Continue. After setting up these settings, your basic setup is complete. Your site is ready is appearing. From here, you can open the dashboard, but we will set up its other features. Now, you need to click on the Setup Advanced option here. In the Advanced Setup, the first option is the Role Manager. This feature is helpful for sites where more than one person works. If you are going to manage the website alone, then keep this option turned off. Leave this option as it is by default, and now click on Save and Continue. Now the first option is for 404 monitor. This means that if a user comes to your website and sees a 404 error, you can monitor it with the help of this feature, and it will let you know why the 404 error is occurring on your website. You need to turn on this option. Second option, it is about redirection. If your website is showing a 404 error and you want another page of the website to open instead, or you want to set up a redirection to a page, you can use this feature to set it up. You should also turn on this option. After activating both, click on Save and Continue. Now the schema markup option has opened. Now we will set up the schema for posts and pages from here. In the first option, in schema type for post, select the schema according to your website. My blog website is there. I will select the article schema. Now, in the second option, you have to select the type of article you post. I will select the blog one. Now, the schema needs to be set up for pages. We will set the same schema for pages as for posts. After setting both of these, click on Save and Continue. As soon as you do this, your advanced setup will be complete and the RankMath dashboard will open. We have completed the setup of the RankMath SEO tool. Now I will tell you how you can use it to improve the SEO of your website or blog. I have already written a blog, and I will demonstrate the SEO for that page here. See here, I have written a blog on the best website builder tool. Now, let's learn how to SEO optimize it with the help of the RankMath plugin. First, click on Edit Post. As soon as you click on Edit, the WordPress post editor will open. Now, we will make changes and add some new things to the content from here. You will see the score on the top right side. This is the SEO score of our blog. This score is provided by RankMath. As you continue to do the SEO of this post, this score will keep improving. You need to click on the score option. From here, you will get suggestions to improve SEO. Now here the option for the focus keyword is showing. You need to add the primary keyword of your blog post in this. The primary keyword of my blog is AI website builder, so I will add that. Along with the primary keyword, you can also add 4 more secondary keywords. In other plugins, you can add only one focus keyword. But in RankMath, you get the option to add 5 keywords. After adding the keywords, RankMath will check that keyword in your content, whether it is appearing in the proper heading or not, and in how many paragraphs it is being used. Look, we have received a score of 69. Let's improve it further. The first practice of SEO is that the title, description, and URL of your blog should be SEO friendly. Here, we will click on this section to edit all 3. Look, the title slug and meta description are showing in front of us. Now, we will first edit the title here. Look, the title is a bit too long. I will remove it and add a new title, and I will also add the primary keyword to it. Look, our title is now optimized here. Now, let's look at the URL. The main keyword is also appearing in this. If it is not, then make the URL SEO friendly accordingly. After optimizing both, we will now add the description. I have already written the optimized description. I will add it. When you add the description and title, make sure that the keyword of your post is included in them. We have made the title, description, and slug SEO friendly here. Now, we will close this option and move to the next step. Now, in the next step, we will add images to our blog. See, currently, there is not a single image in our blog. You need to use non-copyright images in your blog. You can create them using Canva or any AI tool. When you add images, Try to ensure they are in web or SVG format. They load quickly. Let's see how to add images. Here, select the click option on the add section. Now, you see three options for image upload: direct upload, media library, and insert from URL. You need to select the media library option here. I have uploaded an image here, so it is showing. You need to upload the image from your laptop to the media library. Now, before adding it to the blog, see that its alt tag is missing. We will describe it in 1 or 2 lines according to the image. I have added the alt tag according to the image. After the alt tag, now this image needs to be added to the blog. Your blog post content. And according to its length, you can add 3 to 4 images. It's not fixed that you have to add this many images. Some blogs have only 1 image. My content has more images, so I will add 2 more images here. After adding images, in the next step, we will add 2 types of links to our blog: inbound and outbound. Inbound link means a link to another page or article on your own website, and outbound means a link to an external website. For example, if you are explaining a Hostinger tutorial in your post, the link to Hostinger that you include will be an outbound link. When adding an outbound link, you can add a nofollow tag to it. Add this link according to your content. It's not like you just add any outbound or inbound link. Now, I will first add an outbound link to my blog post. Look, I have mentioned 7 tools here. So now I will add links to all of them so that users can use these links to visit these websites. And this will also serve as a good outbound link for me. After outbound, we will now add the next inbound link. I will add a link to another article available on my own website. See, after adding the link, our blog's SEO score has improved significantly. We have followed all the suggestions given by the RankMath SEO plugin to improve our blog's score. See, except for 2, everything has a green tick, and the score has improved significantly from before. If you use Content AI to optimize the blog, it will also turn green. Currently, we don't have Content AI, so we won't use it. I will explain in detail about Content AI in the next video. Now, click on the Advanced option. Here, in the first setting, you need to set up the robot tag. Leave it as index by default. This means your blog can be indexed in Google. If you don't want it indexed, you can select No Index. The other options are not needed in this post for now. The next option is the blog's schema setup. See, it has selected the article schema by default. We will leave this setting as it is. With the help of the RankMath SEO tool, we have significantly improved the SEO of our blog post. That's why it is showing such a good score here. Here on the side, another score is visible. This is for Content AI. This is a paid feature. In the next video, we will cover this. Now click on Publish to publish this blog post. Look, the post we did SEO for has been indexed in Google. You can see that it shows here. This URL is on Google. If you are looking for the best SEO tool for your WordPress website, you should use RankMath. This tool offers many advanced features that help you do good SEO for your website or blog. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. If you liked the video, please like it.